Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I will review another very nice small adapter from the famous MMB company. This company is well known for making car accessories and car gadgets. I've tested most of their devices on my channel and today they've got this new device. This is called MMB Mini 2.0. It's a wired to wireless CarPlay converter. It comes in this box. This is a very small box and you've got some information on the box itself. What you get inside the box is this user guide or the user manual. This is a standard user guide and this is very important for you to have all the instructions for the very first time when you can connect this device. So it's very important to go through this user guide or the user manual, and then you get the small adapter. Now this is very small. It's a mini adapter and it's about 4.8 centimeter long from left to right, and then the width is about 2.5 centimeter. So a very small compact adapter. It would not take any space. It doesn't come with any sort of cables, unlike the other CarPlay AI boxes that has to be connected with a cable. This would not connect with any cable. It's a very small device. Now if your car has a type A slot, then you just need to remove the cap and just connect this with the USB cable in your car. Now once you connect this, the size which would remain outside is about 2.7 centimeter only. So the entire thing is about 4.8 centimeter, but if you connect it with USB A, then this portion is only about 2.7 centimeters. So very small. But if your car has a type C connection like mine, then you need to put this back in and then connect this entire thing with the type C cable like this, and I'll show you how this appears in my car. All right, so it's very easy to connect. It's a very small and compact device. Looks very nice. It's very lightweight. Now let me connect this in my car, and then I'll show you how this actually works. Now just keep in mind that this is just a wired to wireless CarPlay converter. So for this adapter to work, you would need to have the wired CarPlay support in your car. This is a simple adapter that converts the wired connection to wireless. This would not enable CarPlay in your car if the car doesn't have any CarPlay system. All right, just keep that in mind. And this works with iPhones iOS 10 and above. So most of the iPhone models in the market these days. So that's about it. Now let me connect this with the USB type C slot in my car, and then I'll show you how this actually works. All right, so let me connect it. All right, so this is how it looks. It's a very small compact device that basically connects with the type C slot in the car, and it's just a very flat converter. It doesn't take any space, and it doesn't bulge out in this particular case because mine is a type C connection. So it sits very nicely to the type C slot in my car and looks very nice. Does not take any space, and because it doesn't have any cables, it doesn't have any sort of clutter around the area. So it looks quite nice when it's connected. So what you need to do is, once you've connected the USB to the port, you simply need to go to your iPhone and switch on the Bluetooth. All right, so I've got my iPhone. Not sure if we can easily see this, so let me start screen recording as well, and I can show you exactly how it would appear. Because of the lighting, I think the screen of my mobile is not very clear. But anyway, so go to your Bluetooth settings on the phone, click Bluetooth, and then you should be able to have a new device appearing called SmartBox 230C. Just need to click this and then pair the device. Do we get anything on the screen? No. allow it to sync contacts and favorites. I don't want to allow that. And then it will start pairing the device. So keep in mind, this is just a one-time setup. It's just a one-time connection that you need to establish between your mobile and this MMB Mini 2.0 device. And from that point onwards, every time you come in the car, the device will automatically detect the connection with your mobile and take you directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay. That would look like this. There you go. So very quick to connect, quite impressive in terms of the speed, and I can tell you that the output looks very nice. Again, the resolution and the quality of the screen of your car also depends on the overall look and feel, but the time it takes to load is very, very quick. So this is again one-time setup. You just need to make sure that your Bluetooth is switched on when you come in the car, and then device will automatically detect the connection and take you to the home page, and we will test that later on. So as soon as the CarPlay system, wireless CarPlay system is connected, it will directly bring you to the home page, which looks like this. This is the navigation page. In fact, this is the main home page. We have the side-by-side on the main screen. So you've got a split screen, you've got navigation running on the left side, and you've got the media, navigation, and your calendar on the right side. Now, this is the standard homepage of Apple CarPlay. So it's nothing special about this MMB device. This is the standard Apple CarPlay user interface that you will get with any CarPlay system. So I will not explain, the functionality of Apple CarPlay and how it works. All I wanted to test was to see if this device is able to connect to the wireless CarPlay system, and it easily does. So this is the split screen. If you want to go to the applications, these are all the apps that are available and compatible on your mobile, and compatible with Apple CarPlay system. And I have a few, but you can obviously install more apps on your iPhone. And then if you want to get into any of the screens, so for example, navigation, you click on navigation and it gives you the full screen view. Now, the other good thing about this particular adapter is because it's connected and connected with the system of my car, I can also use the steering wheel control to operate this, like increase the volume and bring it down and so on. And you can also use Siri to operate this device, just like Apple CarPlay. So again, this is an Apple CarPlay system, just the wired to wireless connection has been established. All right, so let's quickly test if some of the features are working. Hey Siri, take me to the nearest Walmart. Siri is also working, so both of them are working, and you can see the screen is also quite responsive. Looks quite nice. All right. Hey Siri, play some music. There you go. So music has been played. Close it. All right, so Siri is working fine. You can obviously play music, you can navigate through Siri, and you can also make calls. Hey Siri, call Ipster.
Calling Ipster Canada work.
Yeah, I'm calling my son. I'm not sure if he'll be able to pick it up. So he's not answering, but again, the calling feature also works. So these were some of the standard features that you use every day, like calling, navigation, music, but there are so many other applications on the Apple CarPlay platform. You've got the podcasts and audiobooks. You can go into your calendar. You can go into your WhatsApp messaging. Just keep in mind that there are restrictions and limitations with the Apple CarPlay system. You cannot have any app that gives you images, visuals, or play videos or movies, right? So if you have WhatsApp, you can only listen to your messages and send messages. You can't really see the messages on the screen. And similarly for other applications as well. Now you can use whichever navigation app you prefer. I've got Yango, Waze, Google Maps, all of them installed on my mobile, but obviously it depends on the one that you prefer to use. And then you've got Zoom and some other features that are very interesting to have with Apple CarPlay. So just wanted to see if the Apple CarPlay or the wireless Apple CarPlay with this new MMB Mini 2.0 is working, and also to see if there are any sort of glitches when operating the device. So all in all, works perfectly fine. I've tested some of the different functions and features. Everything is working quite nicely. Again, MMB is a very well-known brand. They make amazing, stable, durable car accessories. I've tested almost all their devices they have launched, and all of them worked amazingly well. It's been one of my favorites for quite some time now. So guys, if you are looking for a small adapter, affordable adapter that converts the wired CarPlay in your car to wireless, then I would highly recommend going with this device. And if you like it, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the MMB official store, where you can buy this very nice and new MMB Mini 2.0 wired to wireless CarPlay adapter. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.